Question: how many pistons are in a four-stroke internal combustion engine? Answer: a four-stroke internal combustion engine is a type of engine that uses a combination of four stages to generate power. The four stages are intake, compression, power, and exhaust. In a typical four-stroke engine, there are four cylinders, and each cylinder has one piston. The pistons move up and down inside the cylinders, driven by the explosive force of the fuel-air mixture. For a longer answer and millions more questions, visit Qeeebo.com today.